Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, July 20th. Time is around 6:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. So the main or the primary scenario is that our wave 4 low was in here, and that we should see more upside from here as a wave 5, and this wave 5 goes again in 5 waves. So it looks like we did or we are doing here or wave 1, then a wave 2 pullback should follow, and then we are ready for more upside with the wave 3, 4 and 5 to finish this higher degree wave 5. So this is a bullish scenario. If you had a look at my higher time frame analysis, you should also know that there is a bearish scenario in the sense that our high might be in here. So this is indicated here in red. If you want to have more details on this scenario, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. And then as a third scenario, I can also share another bearish scenario, bearish in the sense that our wave 4 low was not in here, but that we make another low. So it could be like this can still be a flat structure, so that or that we have something like this actually. So that we have a wave A in 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. Then we have our wave B to the upside, and then we come down as wave C in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave C. Then we can make a new low here as a wave C, and from here we see then again more upside. So this is also another bearish possibility or scenario. The reason that I share this scenario with you is that I'm not really satisfied about what I'm seeing in this structure. I will share this in a minute with you when we zoom in the 1 hour and the 15 minute. So I have difficulties to interpret this structure, and just from experience, I would say if I have difficulties with the interpretation of a structure, it's mostly because it's a wave B, and a wave B is hard to interpret, and so it would make sense from just from this perspective that this here could be our wave B or wave A, and that we have a wave C here in 5 waves. Of course, I will not make this my primary scenario because, as you can see, we are somewhere here, or low is here, so it makes more sense to take a bullish scenario as a primary scenario. But I just wanted you to know this. It's also something to take into account. And so everything I will share with you now about the bullish scenario is under the assumption that this low holds here. But I'm telling you, this low does not have to hold. But okay, for now we will assume that this low holds here, and we will consider a bullish scenario from here. So then if we zoom in to the 1 hour, so it looks like this is the best count that I can make for now. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. Then here we pulled back as a wave 4. And so yesterday we took out this high, so it looks like this is our wave 5. And first of all, based on the data, like it looks like this wave 5 is not yet finished, because for now I only see 5 waves, um, 3 waves, I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like we need a fifth wave. We are also not ending with divergence. Look, this is very strong here. So this looks more like a wave 3 than a wave 5. Also on the, this is what we have on the 15-minute. Look, this was our last wave to the upside. For me, this does not look like a wave 5. This looks like a wave 3. So I would think if we want to finish this structure here, we still need a final push to the upside, ending with divergence. Of course, if you have a look at 5 minutes, you could say we have divergence here, like that. This is our wave 3, 4, and then our 5 here. But yeah, I mean, if you look at the 5 minute and the 1 minute, you will always see some kind of divergence. The point is, like, if I do my normal analysis on the 15-minute or the 1 hour, this does not look like a wave 5. So that's why my primary scenario is saying we still need a push upside, ending with divergence here. So then this would be an ending diagonal, actually. And if this plays out, this might be a short opportunity if we have another high here with divergence. However, yeah, you have to be careful. Like, if you do this, it's important really to try to pick the high and protect your trade, and let it play out, because there might also be a very bullish scenario which looks like this, that this was our 3, 4, 5, that we finished our wave 1 here, and that we only had a very shallow wave 2 pullback. And this would mean that this is a wave 1 here. So in the higher degree, in this degree, so that this becomes a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this. This could also be, in my opinion, if we consider bullish scenarios. So a shallow wave to pullback, and that we are now ready for more upside from here. And then, of course, if you initiate a short here, I think if we end here with divergence, there will always be some kind of pullback. But if we then have a shallow pullback here as a wave 2, you might be shorting a very strong wave 3 of 3 to the upside. So therefore, if you take this trade, it's really important to try to catch the high and protect your trade, and see what happens next. So this is what I see for today. Like, short, but it can be risky to initiate this short. I think the safest way to play the DAX right now is to wait for clarity. Like, this is what I want to see: a decent ABC pullback. Like, if I see a decent ABC pullback, I will be less skeptical about this structure, and then this is for me a reason to enter. Like, if we would end here wave 1, we have a nice pullback as an ABC where we clearly can define the area where our wave C should end. We end in this area with divergence, 5 waves. Then this is for me an, uh, an entry point. So now I put it back like this. So this is what I want to want to see to go long. Like, yeah, the reason that I'm not in a position yet is that I'm missing the clarity, the clear structures that I want to see to enter a trade. And if I don't see it, I don't enter, because yeah, if I don't see it, it means that I would be gambling, and I do not gamble. I trade. So for now, why am I not in a trade? I don't have the clarity. I really doubt here about this structure. So first of all, like I just told you, this looks like a high, but we did not end with divergence. So I want to see another high here. Only then I can count it as 5 waves. For now, I only see three. 1, 2, 3. So this is one difficulty I have with this structure. Then secondly, now I labeled this as a 4, because I'm kind of forced to label this as a 4. But yeah, why did I not enter here? Because I do not see 3 waves. I see 5 waves in this. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I consider RSI, this is for me almost a perfect impulse down, like or wave 1 or wave 2, then 3. So 3 here, and then we break the RSI trend line to the upside as a wave 4, and we end with divergence is wave 5. So I was expecting a wave A to the downside, B, and then C, and then I would enter here. But instead, we took out this high here, and then also, yeah, this structure here. Like if we look at the 1 hour again, like to be a complete structure for me, this divergence is not really outspoken. I want to see a deeper pullback as a way for here in your RSI, so that we end with more divergence. So this is also not really the case. And then finally, yeah, this takes out a lot of this takes a lot of time to play out as a wave 1 here. Like, for me, it already looks like this is the beginning of a new cycle. It looks like this part here has nothing to do anymore with this part. And so if that is the case, then it would mean that this is our wave 2, and that we should have more upside from here. So quite a bullish scenario. Of course, we can first play a bit around here to make our wave 1 and our wave 2 of the lower degree, but it would mean that this low has to hold. So yeah, I have several difficulties with interpreting this structure. And yeah, that's the reason why I'm not in a trade yet. But yeah, I'm telling you, as soon as I have clarity, as soon as I see something like this kind of pullback, like ideally we finish this here with divergence to finish this structure, and then I would like to see this, and this would be for me a long entry, a clear ABC. So yeah, I'm just waiting for more data. I'm waiting for clarity, and if I see this, I will go long. So that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work so I can further grow this channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.